In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Temu. If you recently received a Visa gift card and want to use it while shopping on Temu, this tutorial will walk you through the complete process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. Temu accepts many types of card payments, including most Visa gift cards, so as long as your card is activated and ready for online purchases, you should be able to use it during checkout, just like a regular debit card. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone or visit the Temu website using your preferred browser. Once you're on the platform, browse through the available products and select the items you would like to purchase. When you find something you want, tap on Buy Now or add the item to your cart so you can continue shopping. After you've finished choosing your products, go to your cart and review everything carefully before moving to checkout. This is a good time to double-check the item quantity, color, size, and shipping details to make sure everything is correct before payment. Next, continue to the checkout page. You'll be asked to enter your delivery information, including your shipping address and contact details. Make sure all the information is entered correctly to avoid delays with your order. Once you reach the payment section, select the option to pay using a card. This is where you'll use your Visa gift card information. Carefully type in the card number exactly as shown on the front of the card. Then enter the expiration date and the CVV security code located on the back of the card. Before submitting the payment, it's important to make sure your Visa gift card has enough balance available to cover the total cost of the order, including shipping fees and taxes if applicable. Some Visa gift cards also require activation before they can be used online, so if your payment does not go through, you may need to activate the card first or register it online with a billing zip code. After entering all the required details, tap on the Place Order or Submit Order button to complete your purchase. If the payment is successful, Temu will confirm your order and you'll be able to track it directly from your account. And that's how you can use a Visa gift card on Temu for online shopping quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.